We are having broadband connection around 1,15,000 are working, and we are having fiber to home. As you all know, right now we have started GPON service. It is called fiber to home. Now, আমরা আজকের দিনে Calcutta telephones से so adjacent areas are added in Calcutta telephones. So it is around 2,200 square kilometer. People will be benefited by this landline 49. Sir already told. Same thing I am giving in details. This landline plan. A lot of people in Calcutta telephones, they left telephone service due to the tariff. You know, our landline is 240 rupees. People used to say, because I used to contact people, I take the perception of the people. A lot of people told me, a mobile connection, I am paying 100 rupees. हमारे पास एक मोबाइल है, हमारा प्रीपेड का 100 रुपये में मेरा काम चल जाता है. आपका लैंडलाइन क्यों लेंगे? Why are you paying 240 rupees? That was a challenge for us. I think considering all these things, this 49 rupees plan we have implemented, and we started on 58. Your plan will be 49 per month. This is called FMC, and then no free call will be there. Call charges will be in BSNL. It will be 1 rupee. You know, the 3 minutes call we call it, and other network it will be 1.2, means 1 rupees 20 paisa. What is the benefit part of this scheme? Is first of all there will be no installation charge. Only the telephone instruments will be provided. That cost is 600 rupees. Today any customers they are taking 600, or you can purchase from market. It is available in the market. Telephone set people are taking from market. But if you take from us, then we are giving a warranty of 4 years. Right now, sir? Already that agreement we are having with the companies. So 4 years it will be warranty you will be having. So you can take from BSNL. It is 400. We have launched in this I think it has decided that all the calls made on Sunday, what is by 00 hours up to night 12 hours on that particular Sunday, all calls making from that your BSNL landline to all BSNL, all operators, and throughout the country, it will be free. Today, this launching of this from 15th August, FMC with the 49 rupees, all the calls you will be making on Sunday, it will be free all over the country. Moreover, that we already implemented, আপনারা সকলেই জানেন, that every day in the night, 9 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the morning, all the calls, any network, you are making calls, it is free. Already you have experienced that part, and you are getting the benefit of that for the last few months. And top of that, what we have started right now, that some changes in the mobile services in Calcutta. I am sure in the coming days, with our dynamic leadership of Mr. Sarkar, your Devashish, I will just stand, please. Mr. Devashish Sarkar is the GMC MPS. He worked different parts of the country. He was there in Assam. So he worked for West Bengal. Now he is in Calcutta telephones. So under his leadership, I am sure that your mobile service in the days to come, it will be changed, and that's why, considering that change and perception of the mobile service, we will be giving one free SIM. With this landline 49, you will be getting one free